Hello, I'm going to show you how to scan a document to your email. First thing, always got to have your badge. You see the money there? All right, now, easily, you're going to hit simple screen if you need to, because we need to go scanner. If it doesn't come up manual entry, then you'll hit your simple screen. Manual entry means I'm going to send it to my email. Everybody knows Mrs. Wilson's email is K, gotta get all of them, Wilson at Brick. Where am I? Brick. Brick. Schools, SCHOOLS. Make sure you hear all those beeps. .org. Somebody said to me, .com. I said, no, we're an organization. We're not a commercial. Org. And then, okay, this is the one I'm going to scan. Oh, I'm so happy to get an email of this picture. And then I hit the start button. It sucks it up. Hopefully not too humid and it'll work for you. Thank you.